What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. As you can see, I got a new bike in the garage. This is my boy Ryan's. It's a '07 Aprilia SXV 550. But that's not what this is about. I wanted to give you guys an update on what's going on with this thing becoming a Supermoto. And this thing being in here is just more and more sumo motivation. It's a cool little title, Sumo Motivation. But yeah, so as you guys, I don't know if oh yeah, I did say this in the last video that I wanted to figure out lighting for this thing. So, after doing endless stupid stuff, I figured out the wiring. I bought myself a little flasher, which was for this light because the one that the kit came with, it didn't actually flash the lights. I think I burnt it out, honestly. I heard a little zzz, and then I saw smoke, and then it smelled like an electrical bomb went off. But I went and bought this tail light opposed to I was gonna do this strip light, but back here it doesn't fit in the area, like it's too long to fit in there. So I went and bought with one that's just gonna mount right there, and that's what I got going. Right now this is just wired up to a battery. I just wanted to show you guys that I got the left clicker, left blinker, and then the right one. They're both synchronized. Somehow, I think this flasher synchronized the lights because it is a flasher, and these ones had a built-in flasher where they just kind of lit up by themselves. And I think because of the flasher, it synchronized them, so that turned out perfect. Now I just got to convert this mess into a wire harness. And then yeah, I got a few other things. I got some mirrors right here. These are like universal motorcycle mirrors. I got the battery tender. I got new brake pads front and rear. I still have to set up the rear brake light. It's a pressure switch. This one is a universal light I got off of Amazon, and it has built-in blinkers like you saw, but they are solid lights. So if you guys see this one, it's like 17, 20 bucks. They're solid lights. You do have to run a flasher to get them to blink. So they come with the two blinkers, the brake light, and the running light, which obviously the brake light you run into the center switch, which lights that up. Running light stays on, brake light stays on, and I did figure out the wiring for the headlight as well. I'm just going to be running the pretty much just the high beam and low beam. Low beam for just day hours, high beam for passing or whatever, and then I gotta wire up the ground. This one was for like a position light, which I don't need. So I'm gonna get that wired up. I got a little DIY battery box in here. Nothing fancy. Still haven't even taken the battery out of its plastic. It's brand new. Got them zip tied in. It's solid. This thing isn't going anywhere. So I'm set with that. I also, this has nothing to do with the Sumo kit, but I did tell you guys I wanted to get some custom like aftermarket parts. And for those of you who know, the KTM RFS at a certain year, they went two pieces with the clutch cover to ease the access of the clutch, because on this one, it's a one-piece setup. So if you want to change the clutch, you got to take the entire case off, the kickstart, the brake. I don't think you would have to move the exhaust, but you might to clear the clutch. But now that's all been simplified because I can just pop the bolts on the outside out, access the clutch. I just got to get a spacer for that kit, and then that's good. And yeah, I'll be going over the head later down the line. My Supermoto wheels are in the mail. I ordered one kit. I was going to go with the Cush Drive. It wasn't working, so I ordered one kit because I thought it was my card that wasn't working. And I ordered the wheels accidentally, pretty much. So I returned them. I had to wait to get the money back on my card. Then I ordered the wheels that I wanted, just to find out this morning that the same wheels were like $300 cheaper. So I went ahead and ordered those. And when the original set comes in, I'm just going to send those back. And I'll actually give you guys a good review of the eBay wheels, because no offense, but the one guy that had a video up of the KKE Racing Supermoto wheels, he said it was a year review, but he only rode the bike like 3 times, and I don't really think that's a review. So I'm actually going to be riding the bike, you know. So I'll be able to give you guys an honest opinion on those wheels. And yeah, I'm gonna remove the tank soon to route my wires. So I'm gonna leave out all that boring stuff. You guys see me remove the plastics and stuff probably enough times to understand. It's just one bolt here, one bolt for the seat, and then that's it. I'm gonna have everything wired sleek to the frame, and yeah, it should look pretty dope, pretty dope. And then yeah, later down the line, I'm gonna do like axle sliders, little bling parts. I gotta get the toggle switch on with the mirrors, and it'll look a little wanky. But it's just to pass the inspection, to be honest. Certain things are just for the inspection, like the mirrors. I do not want big mirrors, even though this one has them. I mean, maybe, you know. They whatever. You know, who cares? If I gotta rock them on to avoid a ticket, I'll rock them on. They're not really that big, and, you know, it's good to see behind you. But yeah, so I just wanted to give you guys an update of this conversion. So like I said, it's pretty simple, straightforward. You know, get the wheel conversion for your bike. It usually comes with the adapter and everything. Get yourself a cheap lighting kit. If you guys want to know exactly what I ordered, leave it. I'll probably leave it in the description. I'll leave exactly what I ordered and how much it is, or I'll just put the links. Or if I don't, then you guys can ask me and I'll let you guys know. It's cheap, under $50, and you're fully wired and ready to go, I believe. So yeah, simple enough. I'm gonna install this kit after I build the wire harness that, and then, you know, wrap it, seal it, and all that good stuff, and then get the brake light wired up, and we should be ready to hit the road after I get it inspected and all that. But yeah, so oh yeah, I forgot, I did get one of these. There was some like promotion going on. It's the Crowfoot. It's a phone mount for your handlebars, but it's supposed to be like indestructible and vibration proof and all this good stuff. And so I said, why not? I went for it. So shout out to them for Call Car. But yeah, thanks again for watching. If you guys have any comments, leave that in the comment section of this video. If you are new to the channel, scroll around, check out the videos. Let me know what you guys think, and maybe you should think about subscribing. It's just a click away. For all my current subscribers, don't worry, I have not forgot about the giveaways. I'm getting stuff situated as we speak, somewhat. But I will have those going this month. There'll probably be like 2 or 3 giveaways just to start things off. But yeah, stay tuned into the videos when I show you guys the 50 and what's going on with the track. That's where I'll be doing the pit bike giveaways. But as I always say, thanks again for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one.